In this section, we will learn about the data type in Excel. Most of the time, we deal with 4 types of data, which is text, numbers, dates, and logical values. First, let's talk about text. Text values identify data like names and descriptions. Text is also called labels in Excel. Excel will typically identify values other than numbers or logical values as text or general. Let's try it out. Select the orange cell in G9 and type in any text value. We can try to change the cell format, but the text value stays the same no matter what form we choose. Now move on to numbers. Numbers are the most popular type in Excel because, obviously, calculations are the primary purpose of Excel. Types of numbers in Excel we deal with include currency, percentages, decimals which are numbers, accounting, fractions, and scientific. Let's take a look one by one. First, talk about currency. By changing the format to currency, the raw number will automatically add a $sign, or whatever currency symbol you choose, and set it to show 2 decimal places. Now try to change the format together. Active the cell. Go to the Home tab, select the drop-down menu in the Number section, and select Currency. Now you got it. To select other currency symbols, we can select more number formats, go to Currency in the category, then select the symbol you want in the Symbol drop-down menu. We can also change how many decimal places we want to show in here. Now click OK, and the cell symbol will change. Now I want you to do this exercise together with me. Try to change all the cells here to the format shown in the left column. For percentages, we can either select the format in the drop-down menu or simply select the percentage symbol right here. Same for accounting, you can choose to select it from the menu or the $sign symbol right here. Now do the same thing for fraction and scientific. Next, let's talk about dates or times. Dates and times track and calculate data over time. The raw number of a date mostly shows as a 5-digit number. There are 2 types of date. A short date is data that the month represented using numbers format, and for a long date, the month will be shown as the actual word of the month. And for time, the raw number is a decimals number. Let's try to convert it to the date-time format in the Try It Yourself sections. Same as before, select the format type in the drop-down menu. We can also customize the date formatting. In the menu, select More Number Formats. In the Date category, we can have more options for showing the date. But what if there's no option for our desired formatting? We can go to the Custom tab and in the Input field below the word type, we can customize how to show the date. The last common type we use in Excel is logical value. Logical values are a binary format presented as either true or false. This type is extremely useful when we are dealing with some dynamic formulas. For logical type, we will learn more about it when we talk about logical formulas in a later section.